Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDNTV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Acting Managing Director of the Niger Delta Development Commission NDDC, Engineer Emmanuel Awudu says the intervention agency has been refocused and repositioned for its new governing board to get off on the right foot. Engineer Awudu made the observation recently at a Thanksgiving service held at the corporate headquarters of the NDDC in Port Harcourt, the River State capital.
Speaking at the Thanksgiving service, Acting Managing Director of the NDDC, Engineer Emmanuel Awudu noted that the Commission had pulled through several challenges since its creation, hence the need to be grateful.
This year started on a rather turbulent note for the Commission, but it is ending very well. The floods came and cut off some sections of the region. But thank God, NDDC, through the directives of the minister, the directives of the president, were able to rise to the occasion. The tension that was in the atmosphere have all been doused. We have so many reasons to be grateful to God. Most importantly, we are alive. And we celebrate God, we celebrate our minister, we celebrate our president.
Engineer Awudu also observed that the recent approval of the NDDC board by President Muhammadu Buhari and confirmation of its members by the Senate are clear indications that the Niger Delta region was in for a better deal.
The president has announced a board, the Senate confirmed the board. We are expectant and we believe that when they come in, we all put our efforts together and our region will be better for it. And so 2023, we look forward to it with great expectations.
Under the President Buhari administration, the NDDC has undergone reforms to retool its processes. According to NDDC Acting Director of Administration, Mrs. Chinyere Ume, the Commission had recorded significant improvements in its service delivery with the presidential initiative.
The Commission has fared well. Debts that have been previously owed have eventually been paid off. For the staff, all outstanding staff allowances have been cleared, and the timelines for delivery on our projects are shorter, because the motivation is higher.
Also speaking at the end of year Thanksgiving service, NDDC Director of Health and Social Services, Dr. George Uzowanne, was optimistic that under the leadership of Engineer Awudu, a solid foundation had been laid for the new board to build upon.
With the current acting MD, we are back on track. We are likely to have a brand new board that's just been cleared by the Senate. So he's just going to have things waiting for them in the right form that they'll be able to deliver.
As at November this year, the Niger Delta Development Commission had constructed over 1,400 kilometers of road, in addition to other projects executed across the region. Acting Managing Director of the NDDC, Engineer Awudu, and his team look forward to better days for the Commission and the Niger Delta region in 2023.
Inside the Niger Delta,